miss. Oh my god, I potted it. What a shot that was. Good.
Thank you.
Right, a bit of 8-ball too, let's go. Right, actually I'm gonna go from the middle, I think. Let's whack it. Right, we got a ball, Right, what are we seeing? I feel like I'm gonna go for stripes here. Put a bit of side on. Oh, terrible shot. Tried knocking into these over here. That's going to be an issue for him. He's missed that anyway. Right. Let's pop this bit of bottom. Ah, I've gone too far. I've gone too far. Right, I'm just gonna go for this. Is that in? Looks good. So yeah, we're on this one. That brown is going to be an issue. No guarantee I'll pop these anyway, but right, let's go bottom. I don't know. Oh, that was well off. Gotta get used to it. I can play in real life, but well, I played black ball really and snooker. So this will take a bit of getting used to, but we'll see how we go. And PC's win. I didn't think that was going to drop then. But don't forget I'm Dotsy's stripes. Well, he's not going to clear these up, so I'm definitely coming back to the table. We'll get a snooker here. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, that's how you go in and out. I wondered how you did that. Right. Okay. Now I'm just gonna play this across. I'm gonna play this across, but I'm gonna put a bit of right so I can maybe knock this red out. Oh, I've hit it way too hard as well. I didn't mean to hit it that hard. Probably we're getting a new mouse as well. So you get used to hitting the actual ball. It's dodgy. Let's see what he does here. Where's the cue ball going? I might do. I might risk this. I might just try and get this out. You know, I'm gonna take the risk. Ah, not there. Right. We'll see what I can do, eh? Chippy Nick. Oh, he's got it as well. Oh no. On the next ball, his last ball, he's missed it. What is he leaving me though? What is he leaving me? Let's dirtbag that. Right, I'm just gonna knock this out, put a bit of left on it. You can't put that, and that's a hard cut, so I think that's an alright shot. Right, I'm gonna go for this. Why did I go wrong here? I thought I had that nailed. Let's put more angle on it. I'll get better. Come and watch me progress. Each episode, I'm gonna get better and better. We won't get beat. He's gonna miss this anyway, and I'm just gonna clear it. Stay away. Shh. Oh, has he left it? Oh, he's jammy, you know. Oh, I'm not happy about that. I played that on purpose, by the way. I didn't want to pot that. I wanted it a bit more over the back post. It's alright, that'll do. He's not going to pot that, is he? So I couldn't pot that blue, so I had to try and. I didn't want to go for the clearance. Now I can go for the clearance. Question is, what's the best way to do this? Right, I'll go for this one first. Okay. Get a top on. Oh, you're joking. Oh, you're joking. What am I doing? Oh, I've left him perfect. Oh, I can't believe it. Like I say, guys, I'm new to this. You could snook yourself behind the blue if he's not careful. Oh my god, he's missed. Right, come on. The thing is, if I miss this, I'm leaving him on. So it's an all or nothing shot, this. All or nothing shot. Oh well. Get it. Right, come on. Come on. Oh, I missed again. I can't believe it. Have I got... Oh my... Oh my god, this is terrible. How did it... I can't believe it, that's too thick. I can't get used to the angles on this. It just looks weird. That's a foul. That's a foul all day.
Foul.
Thing is, I think I only got one shot, so I need to go for the double A. Right, go for the double. Put backspin on, so I'll leave him nothing if I miss. Oh my god, I potted it. What a shot that was. Get it. Right, come on, for the win. The first game, first win, come on. What we're saying, guys, is this in or what? Right, I'm gonna play it. Get it? Come on!